This is Mark from Creations by Mark. Just wanted to pop in and wish everybody a happy New Year. And just wanted to check and see what everybody's goal is, what the New Year's resolution is, and see what you're going to be working on. What do you think is trending for 2026? Curious about that. So if you would, in the comments, leave what your goal is, your resolutions, and what do you think the trends are going to be. I'm going to be, hopefully for this year, starting it totally new. Going to try to put out more videos, going to try to do more lives. I'm going to do a lot more tutorials. Matter of fact, I have another one coming up, hopefully today. Weeks ago, I did a tutorial about the magic circle. And now, since I have been doing it, I picked up on a new hack where the thread or the yarn from the back of it, how you weave that in as you're going along, where it's never going to slip out. And to show you the way that I do a granny square, so it comes out perfectly square. So just bear with me. I'm going to try something new. I love to procrastinate, so I have to get in my head that doing videos is something I need to do all the time. I want to keep you all updated on my ventures, what I want to do, what I've got done. So if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see in videos, please leave a comment down below, and I will look into it and hopefully do it all. It's going to take time for me to get over my nervousness of being on a video, but I've been watching YouTube, and that has taught me a lot of recording, where to look and where not to look, and try to keep the ums and ohs and all the 9 yards. Well, is one of them. So give me a chance. If you like my content, or you think you're going to like it, please, like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon. I appreciate it. Also, I'm going to be doing a video. I have a crochet group on Facebook, and they have posted since the middle of November till end of December all the things they've been working on each week. So I'm going to do a collage of everything that they've done coming up in the video. So I hope you would stay tuned. Check, give me a chance, check it out. And if you like the content, like I said, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, and pass the word, because I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I would really appreciate it very, very much. All right, until the next time, you take care, and I will be talking to you. All right, later on. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. A few weeks ago, I made a video on doing a magic circle. Since then, I have learned a new hack of doing it. So I just wanted to redo it and show you how to make a granny square. So hold on, let me try it. Take the thread, yarn, wrap it around, pull the bottom one through, over the top, and grab it. Okay, yarn on top there, chain 3. Put in 3 doubles, 2, 3. Now some people, they chain in between. I don't. So yarn over, do 3. Oh wait, no, you got to do 2. Crochet 2, 3 doubles, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 more, 1, 2, 3, chain 2. That gives you 3 of them. Now we'll do the 4th one. 1, 2, and 3. Now before you go any further, you're going to pull this tight. Okay? Now instead of doing 2 to go to here, I do a half double. Yarn over, go to the top of the 3rd chain, and do a half double. That'll act as your chain 2 in between. Now what I do is take your thread in the back, bring it up behind your hook, pull that through, okay? Then pull down. Then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold on to your thread, go in that space, and you're going to work right around it. So you do 3 right here, and then you stop. Keep holding your thread. You're going to hold it behind, go in the next corner, do 3 doubles. Chain 2, and then 3 doubles. You're still working that thread, the yarn, in between. There's 2, and then there's 3. Okay, now you only have just a little bit left hanging. Cut that off afterwards. Go to the next corner, 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 3 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. Go to the next corner, 3 doubles. 2, 3, 2 doubles. 3, 2 is 3. Now you're back to this corner here where you started the 3. Yarn over, top of that 3rd chain, stick it in there, pull it through, then do a half double. Oh, wait a minute, nope, I forgot. You got to put in 3 more doubles. Getting ahead of myself. 1, 2, and 3. Now yarn over, top of the 3rd chain, pull it through, then yarn over and pull through the 2. There's your 2 chains right there. Now what I do is, while I'm on this side, stick your hook in, slip stitch, okay, chain 3, or 2, whatever you want, turn your work. You're going to start all over again. You're just going to put in 3 doubles, then the next space, 3 doubles. I mean, if you want to put a chain 1 in between, that's up to you, but to me it makes it too, I don't know, floppy. See, you still got a hole, but not a big one. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm using a 6mm hook just to bring up the stitches more so you can see it better. Chain 2, 3 more. 2 and 3. See, there's that yarn right there. 3 doubles. I'm going to work till we get to the last corner so you can see what I'm talking about. Now we're here at another double corner. 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. 2, 1, 2, 3. Move over to the next space, 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Now back to where you started from. You got the 3 over here, so you go add 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, top of the third one. Yarn over, you got 3 on the hook, pull through. And that's how I do it, Granny. And then this thread right here, just snip it off, you don't even know it's there. Hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and share it. I would appreciate it. So until the next one, you all have a good day. Stay well, stay safe, and I'll be talking to you. Take care.